Good morning and welcome back. Today we are making breakfast. I was feeling in the mood for an omelet. So I'm going to show y'all how I make my little omelets. I am just cracking 4 eggs. I'm going to get a little salt, some pepper, a little bit of lemon pepper for some zing, parsley, and I'm going to be adding some shredded cheese, and we're going to be taking some honey ham. I'm going to use half of it now and then save the other half for later. But go ahead and whisk up your eggs a little bit and just add half of a piece of ham. Go ahead and whisk that up some more because that ham loves to drop to the bottom. Now add you about half of a can of Rotel. Whisk that on up. All right, y'all, and it should look something like this. Let's go ahead and head over to the skillet. So we're just taking about a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'm going to pour in our omelet mixture. And when it comes to omelets, y'all, it takes a lot of patience. We're going to be adding some more cheese and the rest of that ham. So what you want to do with your omelet, you just want it to sit until the sides start to lift a little bit. You can see it's getting a little lifted on the sides. And after a few minutes, take you a spatula, and the middle should be just a little liquidy. I could have waited probably a little bit more, but that's okay. And scoot that on over and let the rest of the eggs cook. And kind of scrape the sides a little bit. And let this cook for a few more minutes. And we're going to flip it over again so it can cook on the other side. And you can already see it's nice and fluffy. That's what we want for our omelet, a nice big fluffy omelet. All right, y'all, and it's been a couple more minutes and our eggs look ready. And get your spatula, go ahead and add that to a plate. Drizzle with a little agave syrup, a little hot sauce. I like mine sweet and spicy. And that's it, y'all. It's super simple to make an omelet. Takes some practice, but I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.